Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the internet section of applications in the Debian Edu or the SkoleLinux. So in the internet section, you have got the Chromium web browser, the Firefox ESR, that is the extended stability release version of Firefox is there. gpredict is there. So gpredict, this application we have seen in the astronomy packages. So it gives you the prediction of the location of different satellites and their coverage area on the skies above the globe. Next application is the JExplorer. So JExplorer is nothing but a LDAP directory browser. So I will not go in detail because we already checked it. So you can check out the LDAP directory, the different entries in the LDAP directory. You can search, you can sort through those entries using the JExplorer. Next item is the Kerberos authentication. So whenever you want to join any Windows domain, you have to send a ticket to the admin of the this Windows domain. The domain administrator or the domain controller then will process your ticket and give you access to the Windows domain. So this application is for that. You can see it here. The principal is Kerberos GT intern @intern start and end, and you can process this. So right now it is not working properly because we are just into the user mode. So we are not got into the server mode. We will have to configure the server, because in this installation both server is there, the end user or the workstation profile is also there, but we are only using the workstation profile right now. So the full server is not working. We will have to do the configuration also. Next is MUT. So MUT is nothing but a terminal based email client. So you can send and receive emails using this XFC terminal. So it is a very minimal email client. It uses very minimal resources and gets your work done. So in some video we will go and check out the full functionality of MUT. So maybe in future we can start a series of videos on the different applications, how the applications work. So that will create a awareness, because you see Arch and Debian has got thousands of application packages, but not many users are aware of what different kinds of applications are available for the user use. Next is SL backup PHP. It is a server based backup. I will just show you. It will open up in few minutes. Meanwhile, we can just click on other applications. So Thunderbird, we need not check. We already know what Thunderbird is, and Exoscope is there. So Exoscope is nothing but an oscilloscope. Oscilloscope software. I have done a detailed review how it works. So I'm going to close this down. It is part of the electrical packages, application packages in Debian Edu 12 or the SkoleLinux 12. So you can see it here. SL backup is a web-based, we can say, backup tool. So it will backup the nodes, the node data or the workstation data to a server. So for that we will require to use the root ID, but it is not working. I tried here, but that is not working. And you can take the backup, you can do the configuration of the backup, check the status of the backup, you can restore data using the older backups, you can do system maintenance, and then you can just log out also. So right now it is not working because the server part is not configured. Yes, so we have completed the internet application group. So in the next video, we will check out the multimedia group. So I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.